Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the essentials: your Google account, channel name, and two-step verification to protect earnings. Once done, verify your age and country so monetization options appear. Make sure to set channel branding, banner, icon, and description, because consistent identity builds trust and watch time. Then upload at least one public video and set playlists. This begins collecting views and watch time needed for eligibility. You're not finished, but these actions get you into the pipeline for monetization. Now focus on the measurable steps. Grow to 1,000 subscribers and earn 4,000 public watch hours within a 12-month window, because YouTube requires these thresholds. While you create, enable channel analytics to track retention, impressions, and traffic sources so you can iterate. Open an AdSense account and link it to your channel for payouts, and make sure every video follows community guidelines to avoid strikes. Finally, optimize thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to increase click-through and watch time so eligibility becomes achievable. Once you hit the thresholds, apply to the YouTube Partner Program from Creator Studio. This triggers a review of your channel for policy compliance and content originality. Make sure your AdSense is fully set up so payments can be processed, and select ad types and placements that match your audience. If approved, enable features like memberships and super chat. If denied, don't panic. Review policy violation notes, resolve strikes or removed content, correct ownership issues, and reapply after the minimum waiting period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.